So I have here a Bergeon Steiner 1235 Jacot pivot lathe, and yeah, it's in good condition, and I'm going to show you the details. So here's the screw to lock this in place. You can give it a pre-tension and then lock it. Yeah, I included some nylon wire here for this spool apparatus. And there's an extra spring here included for if the one which is now installed breaks. Yeah, let's continue with these parts. I just want to show them all. There, because they can break easy, these yeah, so also for that case, if they break, there are two extra here included. As a reserve. So here. Last one to show. Let's see if I can make it sharp. Ah, there you are. The other side. Yeah. Centers, okay. Ah, there's the bow. I think this is a handmade bow, simple, self-made. Comes in a beautiful wooden box. Steiner. And so here is the set in the catalog with all the different options here. Yeah, I hope you have a good view on the condition of this set, and thank you for watching.